Hey guys! This week I'm back with another really simple and easy woodworking project that you can do. Lately I've been working on my office/studio, trying to get it in order, and in doing so I recently built some magazine racks. And today I wanted to show you how I did it. But first I'd like to take just a moment and ask you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already. And now let's go see how I did this project. All I used for this project is 1/4 inch plywood, 3/4 inch plywood, some wood glue, a brad or a pin nailer if you have it, and some masking tape if you don't.
From your 1/4 inch plywood, make a 3 by 7/8 by 12 inch cut, a 3 by 7/8 by 5 inch cut. I've also included a 35mm finger hole, which is optional. For your sides, you'll need to cut two 10 by 12 inch sections. You'll also need to angle one corner. You can do that however you like. I've done just a straight edge. You can do curved or whatever suits your fancy. As long as you leave a 5-inch edge along the front, it must be exactly 5 inches. From your 3/4 inch plywood, cut a 3.5 by 10 inch section. To make my angled cut, I just used my miter saw, making sure to leave that 5-inch front edge. Assemble the holder. Apply a bead of glue along your 3/4 inch plywood and place your first side along the edge, nailing it in place with your brad nailer or your pin nailer if you have one. Flip it over and repeat the process for the other side. If you don't have a nailer, you can use tape to hold it in place. Once the sides are finished, apply a bead of glue along the front edges and attach the front section to it using your nailer or tape to hold it in place. Be sure to clean away any excess glue as you go. When you're finished with that, flip the whole piece over and apply a bead of glue along the back edges. Then attach the back with your brad nailer or your pin nailer again. A little tip, it can be hard to get nails to go into the 1/4 inch edges perfectly straight. If you're a beginner, you may want to skip that process and just use the tape. Allow your holders to dry overnight and then sand and apply the finish of your choice. I've finished mine out with just a basic simple paint.
Now wasn't that simple and easy? If you like this video, be sure to let me know by subscribing and click the like button below.